Hello all. Today we are going to learn about two global variables from Catalan Studio. Those are maps and lists. What is map? Map is an unordered collection of object references. Empty map expression is given in square brackets and colon between it. It consists of key value pair. It means it requires two values. One is key and another is value. For example, in the square bracket, name colon John, comma, EMPID colon 1234 and bracket complete. In this example, name and employee ID are keys and John and 1234 are the values assigned to the keys. What are lists? List is an ordered collection of objects. Empty list expression is shown as two square brackets. One is opening and one is closing bracket. Objects can be of different types and duplicates are also allowed in list. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add alphabets AD. You can add 2.5, that is the decimal values. And again I have added A, that is the duplication. Here we have given A and here also given A. In this example, list contains numbers and alphabets and also contains the duplicate values. Let's see how to use these maps and lists in Catalan Studio for our project. In Catalan Studio, I have created two test cases. One is maps test and another is list test. And in these test cases, I have added steps to log into Cura Health application. Both the test cases are same. Now, in maps test, I will show you how to use the maps, and in list test case, I will show you how to use lists. So let's learn about the maps. First, we will go to our global variables, and since UAT profile is my default, I will go to UAT profile. In the UAT profile, I will add a new global variable, that is map variable. So for that, I will click add button. I will give the name to this variable as map credentials and I will choose the value type as map. After selecting the value type, I will click on value and I will click insert button. After clicking insert, it will give me key type, key, value type and value. As I already explained, map consists of key and value pair. So our key type will be string. I will enter the key as username. Our value type will also be string and I will enter the value as the username value, that is the username. I will again insert one more value, that is password. Key will be password and value for the key will be the actual password. So this way I have added the username and password. I will click OK and OK. I have added the map credentials, map variable having the username and password, key and value pair. Now I will use this in my test case. I will close this UAT profile. If you check, in the test case we have used the username and password directly. The values of username password has been used directly. We will use the map variable over here instead of the hard-coded values. So for that I will write global variable dot map credentials dot get, and inside the bracket I will provide the key. That key will fetch the value assigned to the key. In similar way, I will change for password. I will provide the key for the password, that is password. Then we will save this and we will execute it. It has taken the username and password. And our test case is passed. So this way we use the map variable. Now let's see how to use list variable. I will close this. I will go to my profile again. I will add list variable. I will give the name to the variable as list credentials. I will change the value type as list. Then in the value again I will insert. Here there is no key value pair. Here only value is there. Value type we will select as string because we want to enter the string value. I will enter the value as username only, that is John. Now here we will enter direct values because there is no key value pair. And I will insert one more value, that is password, and I will save this. Now in our test case we will print the value of this list variable first and then we will use it. Let's see. I will write here println global variable dot list credentials dot get, and I will get the value by index. List index starts with 0. The first value of the list starts with 0. So I will print 0 and then I will print 1. Let's print it before browser open, and for time being I will comment this code. I'll save and we will execute this to check what value does it print for 0 index and for first index. So in the console we will check for 0th index it's printed the password, and for first index it has printed the username. What does it mean? It means it takes the last added value as first and the first added value as last. Why I showed you this way? Because since we have added username first and then we have added the password, we may commit a mistake by giving wrong values, incorrect values. And we can use these values for our test case in a similar way. 0th index is the password and index 1 is username. And now we will execute this. Save and execute. And the test case is passed. So this way you can use the list and map variables. If you see over here in the profile, I had used username and password, two different variables. Instead of that you can use one variable and you can pass the values to that variable. This was about maps and list. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, then please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. And please do not forget to like and share with those who would like to learn Catalan Studio. Thank you.